In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a text box on Canva. Whether you're working on a presentation, a social media post, or a creative project, adding text is often an essential part of the design process. Canva makes this incredibly efficient and easy, so let's walk through the steps together. First, head over to your Canva dashboard. Once you're there, you'll see options to either create new designs or access your recent ones. For the purpose of this demonstration, we'll go into Recent Designs. Simply click on Recent Designs to open up a project you've been working on or one you've used recently. This will place us directly into the Canvas area where we can add and manipulate elements. Now that you're in your design workspace, look over to the left-hand menu. You'll see several options, and among them is Text. Click on Text, which will open a sidebar showing a variety of text options from which to choose. This is where you can select different styles of text ranging from simple headings to artistic typefaces. But for now, we're focused on simply adding a text box. So let's proceed to that next step. Within the text sidebar, you'll see an option that says Add a text box. Go ahead and click on Add a text box. This action will place a default text box onto your canvas. You can move this box around, resize it, or rotate it, depending on your design needs. Canva is quite intuitive with this feature, as you can easily drag it across the canvas to position it just where you want it. Now comes the part where our creativity gets a chance to shine. Start typing. Click inside the text box that has appeared on your canvas and begin to add your text. Whatever content you need, be it a title, a subtitle, or a whole paragraph, can be typed directly into this box. This feature allows you to customize the message of your design exactly as you envision it. And there you have it. You've successfully added a text box to your Canva design. Remember, the text box can be adjusted in so many ways. Change the font style, size, color, or even the alignment to match your aesthetic vision. Experiment with these features until you're satisfied with the outcome. Canva offers a lot of flexibility, so take your time to get it just right. If you need to make any edits after you've added your text, simply click back on the text box to bring up your options. That's all for today. Adding text to your Canva projects is straightforward and powerful, providing you with tools to unlock endless creative possibilities. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more Canva tips and tricks.